There's Thai tea flavor with tapioca pearls and brown sugar with tapioca pearls. I've not had real bubble tea, but we have had Thai tea. So I guess let's start with Thai tea.
Sure.
Have you had real bubble tea before? I guess we should have shaken it.
Not from a can.
It tastes pretty close to real Thai tea. I didn't get any of the pearls because we didn't shake it. Let me shake this one. That's good. I would drink that. Brown sugar with tapioca pearls. Really similar. I like the Thai tea better. It's like a creamier.
Definitely different flavor though.
Definitely a different flavor.
I like this one.
Yeah, well, I like the other one. Great. Good.
Okay.